Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to remove price history from Zillow. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to log in into your Zillow account. So go to the Zillow website and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up for one. The following step is to access your property listings. So navigate to my listings or manage listings section on your Zillow account. Locate the specific property listing for which you want to remove the price history and click on it to access its details. The next step is to edit the listing. So look for an edit listing or manage listing option on the property listing page. Click on it to enter the editing mode for your property listing. The fourth step is to modify the price history. So within the editing mode, find the section that displays the price history for your property. Locate the specific entry or entries that you want to remove and look for an option or icon that allows you to delete or modify the price history information. Click on this option for each price history entry you wish to remove. The last step is to save your changes. So after removing the desired price history entries, review the rest of your property listing details to ensure that they are accurate and up to date. So once you are satisfied, save your changes by clicking the save button or update button. Your property listing will be updated and the selected price history entries will no longer be displayed. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.